Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District but Balongru District Election Officer ke Ribhoi District Arpit Upadhai ula pentip balabo ia ki Shipai Pahara ha Block 2 khanang ban Pynthikna baka Jingthep vote ke ban long ha ka apnyau terek rempang kan long ke Khuid bat ke balat luny. Haba ajingkran syakilat pathai kubor haka office trekam jong umenta kasni ulo ong baki board penya district kila shimkia halor ki kaipot balai yo pdiang ba way na ki MLA na West Karbi Anglong ulo ong baki nong tap vote na block 2 om shamla sha ban tap vote haka nik election ka ban wan ha Meghalaya. Ban pelat na ki Jingsong's ear jong ki nong tap vote ha block 2 labo ya ki bor Pahara bat bakentop ya ki pulet bat ki CRPF bala pelong ru ya ki jingyat petrol da ka kejat kenang baka om don ka jingpentot ha ka por tap vote bat kan long ka basngan bat ka bayat bet yat renti.
And as far as security is concerned, there is no issue and there is no atmosphere of fear or something like that. By the senior officials at the highest level have assured that there will be no hindrance, there will be completely smooth conduct of elections and people will come and exercise their votes and all. And I would also like to say that anyone who is found spreading any kind of fake news or rumors or creating an atmosphere of unnecessarily to creating an atmosphere of fear that can impact the conduct of free and fair elections or a smooth election, then action will be taken against that person accordingly.